Hello guys, how are you all doing? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel, your surest blog for cheap data on MTN. And in today's video, I'll reveal to you guys the best data offers you ever come across on the internet. From the best data plans to even secret codes that MTN does not want you to know about. And this code will help you save money. I mean it will help you save money. I'll read to you 8 different codes you can use to get crazy cheap data from MTN. Now I know you must be excited. You must be very excited. So if you are new on my channel, my name is Charles Chino. So and right here, I share you ways you can make money online and basically tips to get better results with your internet marketing activities. So if this is your first time, kindly like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started. So the very first code on my list is star 312 star 65 star 3 hash. So with this particular code, you'll be getting an amazing offer. You can see right here with this code, you are getting about 4 gig for 1000 naira. And the amazing part is this could actually last for 30 days. If you check the current price of data, 1 gig is 800 naira on MTN. But right here, you are seeing you are getting 4 gig for just 1000 naira. You agree with me that this is crazy cheap, right? So go ahead and try this one. I believe you enjoy this particular data offer. Let's proceed with the second code you can use to get crazy cheap data. I don't want this video to be long, so I'll be very straight to the point. I'll be fast about revealing all these codes. So the second code you can use to get crazy cheap data from MTN is star 312 star 65 star 2 hash. So ensure you are writing these things down because they all seem similar so that I don't get confused or do mistake. So you can see that with this particular code, you are getting 1 gig for just 200 naira. This one is a weekly plan, a weekly data plan. You are getting 1 gig for just 200 naira. Instead of buying 1 gig for 800 naira, just come here, use this code and buy yourself 1 gig for just 200 naira. Awesome. So let's proceed and review the third code. The third code you can use to get crazy cheap data using MTN. So the third code on my list right here is star 312 star 199 hash. So right here, you'll be seeing another amazing offer. You can see that with this particular code, you are getting about 1.5 gig of data plus 100 MB for YouTube music. The YTD means YouTube. For YouTube music for just 600 naira. Amazing offer, right? For just 600 naira. So if you like this code or if you like this plan, just go ahead and click one off and buy the data right away. You can also click auto renew so that every time it expires, the data automatically renews on its own. Do you understand? So this is another amazing offer. So let's proceed and review the fourth code you can use to buy amazing offers from MTN. So the fourth code on my list is star 312 star 1 star 1 star 8 hash. So right here you can see that we have another amazing offer. This particular one is a daily plan. The first three I reviewed were weekly and monthly plan, but you can see that this one is a daily plan. So this is a very good offer if you use a lot of data in a day. If you know you consume a lot of data in a day, this is a very good offer. You are getting about 2.5 gig for just 750 naira. I'm sure you agree with me that you are getting massive value for your money if you go for this plan. Awesome. So let's proceed and talk about the fifth code, which you can use to buy crazy cheap data from MTN. So the fifth code on my list is star 312 star 143 hash. This is another amazing offer, star 312 star 143 hash. So with this particular code, this is a weekly plan for you, which you'll be getting about 6 gig of data for just 2500 naira. 6 gig of data for just 2,500 naira. So this is another amazing offer. If you love this offer, just go ahead and click one off, or you go ahead and click auto renew. You can even go ahead and buy it for your friend by inputting that friend's number when you click on 3. So you can see this is another amazing offer. So let's proceed and talk about the sixth code which you can use to buy amazing offer from MTN. So the sixth code on my list is star 312 star 100 hash. Star 312 star 100 hash. So this one brings another amazing offer for you. With this particular code, you're getting 1 gig of data for just 200 naira. You're getting 1 gig of data for just 200 naira. So just proceed and buy this, and you get to enjoy it for 30 days. If you don't use a lot of data, it could actually last you for 30 days. So let's proceed and review the seventh code. The seventh code on our list, which you can use to buy amazing offers from MTN. So the seventh code on my list right now is star 312 star 88 hash. Star 312 star 88 hash. So with this particular code, you'll be getting about 1 gig plus 500 MB monthly plan for just 200 naira. So I think this one is the cheapest so far among every code I reviewed. Just go ahead and choose anyone that is suitable for you, anyone that works for you, anyone that is favorable for you. Understand? Awesome. So now I'll be revealing to you the last code, the eighth code, and the final code on my list. This one is like a bonus code for you. This particular code will not work for everybody. Do you understand? It depends on the tariff plan you are currently using. So if you tried it and it does not work for you, don't feel bad. You already have 7 codes that I already reviewed, which you can use to buy cheap data using MTN. So with this particular code, you'll be dialing star 121 hash. Star 121 hash. So this is a very popular code, and the offer it brings for you varies. It varies with everybody. So right here, you have to go to where we have 4, which is smart data. So once you click on smart data, over here you get to check the different offers they have for you, which one is suitable for you. So let's start by checking number 1. Let's see what we have in number 1. So you can see that with number 1, you can get 4.5 gig for 1000 naira. You can get 7 gig for 1500 naira, and you can also get 2 gig for 400 naira. And all these are daily plan, like it lasts for just 24 hours. So let's proceed and check the weekly plan and see what offer they have for us. So if you go with the weekly plan, which is number 2, let me click number 2. Over here you can see we have 50 gig for 10,000 naira, 18 gig for 35, and we have 22 gig for 4,000 naira. So this is another amazing offer. I will even recommend you go for this rather than the daily plan. This is way cheaper than the daily plan if you should do your plus or minus. Let's proceed and click on 0 so we can check the 14 days offer. So 0, so I'll click on 3 so we can check the 14 days offer. So once I check it, you get to see we have 90 gig for 15,000 naira, and we have 35 gig for 7,000 naira. So it's getting on the high side already. So it all depends on how much data you consume in a month. That will determine which of the offers you should go for. So let's proceed and check number 4, which is the monthly plan. So I'll click 0 to back it. Then I'll go ahead and click 4, which is 30 days offer. So once I click 4, I'll click on send. And right here you can see we have just one offer here, which is 56 gig for just 12,000 naira. So it's left to you to decide which one is favorable for you. If you are frugal with money and you don't really use much data in a month, you should go for this one. This 56 gig for 12,000 naira. Do you understand? Probably you want more data and you want to save more money. One thing I noticed about all these data plan is the bigger the bundle, the more affordable it is, like the cheaper it is when you do your plus or minus, like when you divide it, the amount divided by the amount of data you are getting. You see that at the end of the day, you might be getting 1 gig for 150 naira, 180 naira, 200 naira. I believe you understand what I say, right? Awesome. So that was basically the 8 solid code you can use to get cheap data from MTN. So which of these codes will you be going for? Which one actually worked for you? Let me know in the comment section. And if you actually enjoyed this video, ensure to go ahead and like this video. Ensure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that I can always get notified whenever I drop videos like this in subsequent time. Alright, I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.